Hello and welcome to another Beaufort County News segment. Today we have Mark Johnson, the projects engineer for the Beaufort County Engineering Department. So thank you so much for coming out here and joining us today, Mark.
You're quite welcome.
So I want to hear a little bit more about your department and what types of things you guys have going on.
Well, the engineering department does a lot of things, transportation. We handle all the marine structures and things like that. So any major building, we handle it.
Do you guys have any events or anything that are coming up?
Well, actually we do, and it's in coordination with another hat that I wear. I'm the immediate past president of the Lowcountry branch of the American Public Works Association. And we are partnering with the Beaufort Regional Civil Engineers Club to put on a one-day conference that is for public works and engineering professionals, and Beaufort County Public Works has been gracious enough to help us out with that.
When is this conference going to be?
It's going to be September 26th. It's a Thursday, and it's going to be all day.
Oh, coming up here in a couple of weeks. Mm-hmm. And where is this conference?
We have been graciously let use the Buckwalter Recreation Center, and they have a wonderful facility. We can have 3 classrooms, so we're having 3 different tracks of education, roadway work, stormwater, and environmental. And we're also going to have some outdoor demonstrations. We're going to have some heavy equipment out there. We're also going to have the Beaufort County Planning and Zoning is going to do a drone demonstration to see how drones can be used with engineering and public works. And I'm hoping to get also a demonstration of how concrete pipe is put together.
So does this mean Beaufort County is hosting this conference?
No, not really. No, this is the APWA and the Civil Engineers Club. Beaufort County is just involved helping out.
Oh, so okay, that makes sense. You're kind of bridging the two together.
Right.
And so why did y'all decide to put on this conference or kind of team up for this conference?
Well, I was talking with Brian Bauer, who is the president of the local Civil Engineers Club, and I'm originally from Charleston, and the Charleston Civil Engineers Club and Public Works Association traditionally has had a half-day conference. And we got together and started talking about doing something for the Civil Engineers Club here because their professional status requires they get ongoing credits, educational credits. And this seemed like a perfect fit. And not only can we have the engineers, but also some of the superintendents, things like that, from not just Beaufort County, but also our partner municipalities.
That was kind of going to be my next question. It's not just people from Beaufort County. Where's everyone coming from?
Well, we're doing it regionally. Beaufort County government, is really the powerhouse in this region of the lower Lowcountry. And so we're inviting folks from Colleton, Hampton, and Jasper counties, and that includes Walterboro and Hardeeville and Yemassee, and just all the towns that would have something to do with Public Works. We're even having people from District 6 DOT.
Is this your first time doing this conference, or is this like a reoccurring thing?
This is the first time here in the Beaufort area. Like I said, we've done it in Charleston a number of times, but we want to make it an annual event here so we can offer different educational offerings. Some of them will be descriptions and presentations on ongoing projects and things like that, but also timely topics in the engineering world.
Well, is there anything else you'd like to say about the conference or from your department as a whole?
I just want everybody to know that not only engineering, but public works and the entire Beaufort County government is really the best that I've had anything to do with. And it's great. It's a pleasure to be here, and this is the best place to work.
It's great to hear you say that, Mark, but fortunately that is all the time we have, and I want to thank you once again for coming out and doing this interview with us, and I hope to hear some good things coming out of this conference you guys have. So,
well, thank you.
Yep, thank you. So stay tuned for your next Beaufort County segment.